Essentially, graphic design is finding visual solutions for a specific purpose, whether that's to make someone want to purchase a product, watch a television show, or come to a large event. Graphic design truly encapsulates almost every visual aspect of your life. Within graphic design, there are a few different buckets that you might choose to specialize in, including package design, layout design, branding and logo design, or even typography if you're interested in making fonts and playing with type. Each bucket is equally as important, though some niches might pay a bit more depending on your skill level. 10 ways to make money as a graphic designer. There are tons of ways to make money online as a graphic designer, no matter what niche you're interested in. If you're wondering how to become a graphic designer, have a look at this list and start selling or making some of these items. Create and sell templates. This is arguably one of the most profitable ways to get passive income for graphic designers. With this approach, all you have to do is make templates of any kind, which could be for ebooks, posters, invitations, or Pinterest graphics. Then, sell the templates online. Share knowledge through workshops or webinars. Online learning is at an all-time high, and I'm sure many of you reading this would even attend an online workshop on how to make money as a graphic designer. If you've studied graphic design or feel that you know enough about it, then sell access to online courses, workshops, training. Sell stickers. Due to the recent popularity of TikTok, small sticker shops are on the rise. To make stickers, all you need access to is Photoshop or Canva to make text-based stickers, or an iPad for illustrative stickers. Be a design consultant. If you want to make money as a graphic designer with high-ticket items, then becoming a design consultant might be the job for you. With this, you essentially sell an hour or two of your time to someone who wants your opinions and ideas on graphic design for their own business. You set your hourly rate and coach and advise potential designers, giving them advice. Design fonts for creative market. Fonts are a great way to make passive income for graphic designers if you're interested in typography. There are many ways to easily make fonts, even just with your own handwriting, which you can then sell for up to $100 on websites like Creative Market or Etsy. Make pre-made logo packages. Similar to creating and selling templates, you could create and sell a wide variety of different logos that are already set up as vectors. This is a popular way that many smaller businesses that can't afford personalized branding packages create their own logos. All they have to do is open the design file and swap out the words and colors, and voila! Sell customized branding packages. Branding is one of the other high-ticket services that you can offer as a graphic designer, as these can cost up to $4,000 if you're in high demand. These packages include a personalized logo, color scheme, fonts, patterns, and other similar items that help brands define themselves. Create and sell printable. Passive income for graphic designers is easy to come by if you create and sell printables online through a platform like Etsy. You could make printables for teachers, students, travelers, literally anything that you can think of. The great thing about printable is that they are a digital product. Work with clients as a freelancer. Working with clients is a great route to take if you like a variety of tasks to work on. By working with clients, you could be designing logos one day and then helping with the layout design of a printed magazine the next. Design social media graphics and highlight covers. Social media graphics are another popular way to make money as a graphic designer. Everyone needs help with social media, and you could sell packs of social media templates or pre-made Instagram highlight covers for a small price which can add up over time. That's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.